Welcome, it's your girl Teresley. I'm starting with brows, so I will be using this dark brown eye pencil to do my brows, and make sure to always follow your brows. Then I will be using this Pro Concealer to highlight my brows. Take your time so that you don't have your one brow it's lifted and the other one it's down. So take your time when you're doing your brows so that the brows can come out uniformly. Then I will be using this light concealer on the top of where I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow so that the eyeshadow can pop. Then I will be using this dark brown shade as my transitioning shade. I'll be using this dark shade, this dark brown shade as my transitioning shade. Then I will follow that with this orange color. I will blend it smoothly. Blend until you get that smooth shade. If you don't know how to do a cut crease, you can apply some concealer, then lift your eye up so that it can mark where the cut crease will pass. Then draw the cut crease with your brush smoothly and uniformly for both eyes, for both cut creases. Use the first transitioning shade at the corner of your cut crease and tap to blend it smoothly. Make it smooth. Yeah, you see how it's coming out clearly. The look, you can see what we are looking for. Can you see? Have a look. This is what we want. Do it on both eyes. Then I'm doing my eyeliner. For this time, I'm not going for wing eyeliner. I want simple makeup for beginners. For you beginners, simple eyeliner for beginners. This is what I want. Then apply the artificial eyelashes. Then time to do our foundation. I'm using this Babyface foundation. I wanted to test it whether it's good on my face, and it felt so smooth. It had some nice scent. It blended nicely with my color tone, color skin. But the thing I didn't like about this foundation is that it got a lot of air in the tube. So if you're going for quantity, this is not the best choice, but it felt so smooth, so nice. I felt like our baby face. So blend it nicely. Blend it nicely. Then I'm gonna use this concealer that I used on my brows. You also need to blend it nicely. Make sure it blends nicely. There are no creases left. And you're gonna achieve that nice look, that final look, the look you are looking for. This makeup tutorial is for you beginners. It's very simple, not complicated at all. Yup. I'm contouring my nose using the dark shade on my eyeshadow palette. This time I wanted a longer nose, so that's why I contoured it in this way. Blend it smoothly. Then I will highlight the nose. Then after that I will apply my lipstick. Time to do our lipstick. Let's get into lipstick, and they're looking amazing. Bye bye.